Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Warzone 3 keeping on crashing on your PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, on your Steam, you're going to go to Call of Duty, and then from here you're going to right click on it, go to Properties, and then go to Installed Files. You're going to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this is going to take a little while because it's verifying all the installed folders and making sure none of them is corrupt. Now, after you get done with this, you're going to close this section. Most of the times that any games crash, it's because of outdated drivers. So from here, you're going to hide it, and then from here, you're going to go to GeForce Experience. Open this and let it load. Once it loads right here, you're going to go to drivers. And as you can see, there is a new driver available for me to download, or if you don't see this, then you can click on check for updates and click download, and then you're going to have to restart the computer. Now, if that doesn't still work, you're going to go to Steam, and then right click on it, and then open file location. From here, do that again, and then go to right click, Properties, Compatibility, make sure that run this program compatible for Windows 8, and disable full screen optimization, and make sure that it's running this program as an administrator. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.